So back here at the waterfall and the mine and the base of the steps. That's the old tramway that we've just come along. And just going to head this way. There's one last thing here that I just wanted to have a quick look at. And of course I'll take you with me. Why should you miss out on all the fun? Oh look, I found another entrance to the mine. Let's see what's around here. This one's bricked up. Probably the safest way. I think that's the flooded one. There are 3 mines here, 2 of which are accessible, which are the 2 that I think we saw earlier, and 1 is flooded. So the last treat is this little bridge here, where we're just going to have a look at the waterfall from the top. Oh look, there's a mine this side too. I wasn't expecting to see that. Look at the colour of the rocks here. Isn't that beautiful? They're like a sort of a light browny colour. That's not a reflection, I don't think. The sun is to our left, so that's not a reflection. That is the colour of the rocks. It's just incredible. But we can look down to the valley there as well. And just see down to where I was earlier. Isn't that beautiful? I love it here. I shall definitely be coming back here, I think. Oh. Just having a look at this mine here. Just see how close to the edge of the cliff it is. They've left a pillar, what, 1 metre wide, and then straight into the mine. Again, we'll go up to the entrance, but we're not going in. Look, somebody's broken down the gates here. There were gates, and that means that it wouldn't really be safe for us to go in. Otherwise, somebody wouldn't have put the gates up. What I'll do is I'll just see if we can zoom in a touch. Can't really see very much, but again, it was a silica mine. I believe the mine closed in the 1960s. So fairly recent in terms of activity, but it was very much a Victorian mine, and it was silicate that they mined here, which was predominantly used for fire bricks to line your fireplace, and for furnaces, industrial furnaces, steam engines, that sort of thing. The silicate was used for that. And if we zoom in down here, I believe that might well be a base for the aerial ropeway, which used to go across the river and over the hill behind me. There we go, folks. But I'm going to head back now. If I see anything interesting on the way back, I'll stop and get the camera out. But if not, I'll see you on the next video. Stay safe, folks. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you have. And the more you like, the more you subscribe, the more of this content I can make for you. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.